In Adventure Bay, the Paw Patrol pups were enjoying a sunny day when suddenly the ground rumbled, and smoke began rising from Mount Rocky. Ryder quickly gathered Chase, Marshall, Sky, Rubble, Zuma, and Rocky. "Pups, the volcano is waking up," he warned. The team raced into action. Sky soared high to spot lava paths, Zuma secured the river to protect the fish, and Rubble built barriers to redirect the flow. Marshall cooled nearby trees with his water hose, while Chase guided residents to safety. As the lava neared Adventure Bay, Ryder deployed a special freezing device Rocky built to solidify the molten rock. With teamwork, bravery, and clever planning, the pups stopped the eruption's danger. Adventure Bay cheered for their heroes as the volcano finally settled down, reminding everyone that together, no problem is too big and no pup is too small.